It up, my feet are going to be pointed up at the ceiling, hands are going to be out at a 45 degree angle. Now the most common way for the person to try to beat this on the bottom is to try to hook the arm. So if he comes in and he hooks the arm, there's two kinds of hooks. You could go high, actually go back to the original position. You can go high above my upper arm, so you're going to try to wrap here, okay, try to pull my arm in, collapses. Or you can go low, which is more like on the wrist. Pull it in, try to collapse it. So there's two different ways that I want to defeat these hooks. The first one, if he goes to a high mount, first of all, I should have my hands out wide enough that it's going to be easy or not easy for him to be able to reach my hands. So if my hands are in here really narrow, it's going to be easy for Ross to come over the top, hook my arm, break it down. If they're out here wider at the side, he's got to reach a little bit more, and it's going to be harder for him to be able to break that. So I want to have my hands out pretty much as far as they'll go, but I'll still be able to have some push-pull on each side of the body. He goes to do a high wrap from this position. A high wrap, what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait until there's pressure on the arm. I'm going to limp my arm, I pull it out, come back around, and I end up basing out again. So again, come back in this position, and pulls up, pulls this over. One more time. Here in this position, I don't want him to get too much in, because here, he's got me locked in. It'll be very hard for me to do anything from this position because my shoulder, my right shoulder is low. I want my shoulder to be relatively high. So he goes to make the grab from this position. My shoulder comes up and in. Hand comes up over the top, slaps down. Try the opposite side. Back in this position. Out, leading with my elbow. Back in this position. And again, I'm not letting it trap. Where my elbow is, my left shoulder is down. What I'm going to be doing is, as I feel this pressure, I let the arm come in, but you see how I'm moving my shoulder away? In this position, my hand comes out, elbow up, and I come back down in this position. That's going to be for the high adjustment. Let's go over just going back and forth with